We have a pretty serious issue with our children: obesity, diabetes, and significant health problems. And they're just not eating right. We're serving them a tremendous amount of processed foods with high in fat, sodium, salt, sugar.
We've got a nation of people that are overweight, obese, have problems with high blood pressure, fatty livers, and they're 10. I mean, this is really an important issue. And we've seen the statistics that kids born after 2000 have a 1 in 3 chance of contracting type 2 diabetes in their lifetimes. If they're Black or Hispanic, it's a 1 in 2 chance.
We have come so far from the way that things already worked to try to make things easier.
We know that some of the alternatives around the country in school foods has been traditionally prepackaged, prepared items that not all necessarily are nutritionally sound for the students.
Food needs to be fresh, to have its integrity, to keep its nutrients, to feed our bodies the way that it needs to.
For the last 20 or more years, food service workers in schools haven't had the opportunity to cook, believe it or not. They've gotten things that have been shipped in, that have already been prepared, that have been frozen, and just needed to be reheated.
The School Food Initiative is really important because it allows us to live the experience of strengthening communities by empowering individuals, because we reach people one by one at our boot camps.
What we're trying to do is take food service workers and expose them in a 1-week period to what essentially would be a 3-month culinary program.
So we're able to help them create menus and dishes, again, from scratch, so that they can provide nutritional meals for the students.
We believe that food service workers who prep, cook, and serve the children in the schools have an opportunity to become lunch educators or food educators. I think of them as ambassadors.
What we'd like to do is empower them and to give them the skills they need to grow within the job.
It's not something that's just going to happen and go away. And we're going to change the way we feed our children. We're going to change the way we educate, the children, the parents, and our community.
Teams like ours are instrumental in inspiring and training and putting it into practical application.
I think the potential of this is huge. I think this is, where our future needs to go.
We hope that our program is adopted by other school districts all across the country. And I think we can do it. I think especially if we do it together, we will do it.
Feeding children in school fresh food every day. It can be done. Our hope is that children will be eating fresh, scratch-cooked meals, just like they're supposed to.